global advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
गाड़ी आगे ले लो ना। बहुत आगे चले भाई, एक सेकंड वेट करोगे, खड़ा करवा लो ना एक सेकंड। भाई पिछाओ ना, पहले बोला सब ऐसे दरवाजे से चिपक जाओगे। ए आशिम भाई भाई चलना है, अभी हमारा काम खत्म मत कर सकते हो तुम लोग यार। इधर चल, एक सेकंड मैं रेडी हो गया। रेडी
Okay, everything we have questions and everything. We have engagement team in house. So we have hotels on board. So related to weddings, we plan everything. So just they are ready concepts, engagement concepts. So that somebody if they wants to buy a concept also. We have the hotels like you if you want to get married. दो बार सोची थी मैं। शादियाँ तो होती हैं। आपकी शादी में क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है? हमारी शादी में? वही आपकी शादी में था हम। ओल्ड इज गोल्ड। ओल्ड इज गोल्ड। So, now would you like to some tea? I just came from movie. Excuse me. Sir. Probably that side. Please नीचे. अभी यहाँ पर नीचे.
the most respected and prominent celebrity in the world of music. And we are glad that she has enlightened us with her presence here. Omar, who is taking the responsibility of bringing up the entire team of KYC events and so we are going to start the ceremony of Katamaki, which doesn't look like it. Congratulations, celebrations, when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations, and jubilations, I want the world to know how happy as can be. Who would be that can be happy as I used to think that there's nothing to do anything. Gentlemen, so we are here to start Bahut Acha event. Beautiful lady, Mrs. Shilpa Shetty Kundra. Thank you so much for enlightening us. And Managing Director of KYC Events, Mr. Anil Kumar. I think we can join our hands and begin this wonderful ceremony by lighting the lamp, which brings the positive energy. Okay, so we had some changes in the plan, and we're going to launch our ceremony as it is. I think we can start the discussion. Yes, with our guest and Mr. Anil.
Yes, thank you. A very good evening to everyone. I feel very happy to be here and must take the opportunity to congratulate Anilji for such a wonderful event and his company. Weddings are always very special, and KYC events obviously is great at what they're doing. Fortunately for you, I'm married. Oh, unfortunately for you. नहीं तो अगर शादी नहीं हुई होती तो मैं आपके इवेंट कंपनी के थ्रू करती और शायद मुझे डिस्काउंट भी मिलता. But saying that, I think it's beautiful and it's wonderful to have everything under one roof when you're getting married. Because there's already so much to handle, and they do everything from concept weddings to the outfits to the to making sure that the venue, the hotels, and all the guests that are coming are really looked after comfortably. So I think it's wonderful. Congratulations to you. I'm sure you're going to do great. Weddings.
Their weddings, and when I felt that you really needed somebody who can do all these activities. Band, baja, barati, everybody. So I got that idea from there only.
अनिल जी,
Yes,
2 दिन बाद वैलेंटाइन डे है और आज आप कंपनी की शुरुआत करते हैं. तो ये क्या क्लाइंट बुकिंग एडवांस के हिसाब से शुरू की हुई है?
हाँ जी.
क्लाइंट
हम
बुकिंग
लोग
से
वैलेंटाइंस डे नहीं करते सर, वेडिंग्स करते हैं, एनिवर्सरीज कर सकते हैं.
वैलेंटाइन डे के बाद वेडिंग्स भी तो आएगी ना?
नहीं, हार्डली सर, नो चांस.
Yeah, Shilpa, what is the very important thing you feel as a wedding planner person should have in their services actually? और आपकी wedding के time पर there were wedding planners.
मेरा बस यही प्लान था कि मैं कैसे enjoy करूँ अपने wedding को, and I think people try to do everything on their own, trying to save up some money, but then the stress is so much that you'd rather have a planner doing all the stuff for you, and you can really, sit back and enjoy the experience in the wedding. And I had different wedding planners, and I know they made my life and Raj's life easy because weddings के समय families को भी बहुत संभालना पड़ता है, और मैं ठहरी साउथ इंडियन, राज पंजाबी, तो दोनों we were both trying to do the best to make our parents feel comfortable as well. कुछ भेलपुरी सा हो गया था हमारा जो हम लोगों ने शादी की थी, तो it was a mix of a South Indian and Punjabi wedding, but I think it was fun. I think our planners made it much easier for us.
Anil,
every area have many wedding planners, but how we plan the wedding is little different because the kind of personalized attention and the personal feel. Apart from that, we understand the pain of the guest who are handling the weddings from other side, and we take that pain on us and we organize the system. So that's how we are the different. So that's all about it.
They play the bad cop. क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ें आप अपने पेरेंट्स को या इन-लॉज को बोल नहीं सकते कि हमको चाहिए नहीं, ये टैकी लगेगा, तो वो काम कर देते हैं. तो हाँ, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों को हम लोगों ने ऐसे ही शूट डाउन कर दिया था in terms of ideas. But also, like I said, they make it easy in the sense कि अगर आपका एक विजन है, आप वो सारी चीज़ें अचीव नहीं कर सकते single-handedly. So you need a team, which obviously they delegate their jobs to as wedding planners, and then you can just concentrate on just looking good and not worried about क्या इनकी फ्लाइट लैंड हो गई है मेरे रिलेटिव की, क्या वो पहुंच पाएंगे शादी पे, क्या उनको गाड़ी मिल गई है एयरपोर्ट पे, क्या उनका रहना सहना सब सही गया है. एंड दोज थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ड्यूरिंग अ वेडिंग, क्योंकि रिलेटिव्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत टची हो जाते हैं, अरे हमें तो इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दिया गया. सो द प्लानर्स मेक श्योर दैट every guest is looked after and is handled, and that's a very important aspect about weddings, right?
Correct.
Anil ji.
Yes. Why? So whatever I look at the things, this is the best.
ट्रस्ट फैक्टर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है एक्चुअली एक वेडिंग प्लानर के लिए, बोथ द वेज एक्चुअली. तो हाउ डू यू सी दैट, लाइक कोई किसी को
see that's the idea of doing things in a pre-planned sort of way, and when you get wedding planners on, they become like your extended family, so you trust them with your wedding, which is the most important event of your life. And once you lock in that wedding planner, he becomes part of, the agenda and the agendas that you have for your wedding. So the trust, without trust, you can't really achieve success in any relationship. So I really think on the onset, especially a marriage, which is such an important relationship that you're getting into, you need the right planners to plan that event.
Okay, पहला सवाल, कोई इतना खूबसूरत, इतना फिट कैसे लग सकता है हर बार? Looking gorgeous. Agree, not only me, everyone agree in the premises.
I like you.
Shilpa, KYC, when you talk about any brand, you associate with yourself with a very selected brand. What are the 3 things you look into whenever you become a part of a brand? For example, KYC. What do you think about KYC?
That's a really interesting question. I like to do things that I believe in. I think they're really good at what they do. Their repertoire is very good. The other thing is that when I associate myself, I'm not really endorsing their brand as of now, but I'm here to obviously wish them luck and inaugurate this great thing that they've started on to. And I'm here to wish them luck, and I think they deserve it. And weddings, like I said, can never go out of style. And I'm just here to just leverage my name to telling people that there's an event company called KYC Events that does this, and they do it well. And that's that.
Okay, given a choice, if they'll ask you to be a brand ambassador, what would be your reaction?
Yeah, they have to afford me.
अनिल जी क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Simple, very simple.
Simple, na?
अच्छा शिल्पा,
Yes, Jyoti.
Interestingly-
You're looking the same, Jyoti. क्या खा रहे हो तुम?
जो तुम खा रही हो वही मैं भी
वही तारी सादम.
अच्छा
हाँ,
मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म विद सलमान खान, शादी करके फंस गया यार. दिस इवेंट ऑफ वेडिंग, सो व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन शादी?
What's my take on शादी? टेक का तो नहीं पता मुझे, लेकिन ये केक देख के मुझे बड़ा ताज्जुब हुआ कि उल्टा क्यों है. इट्स बेसिकली सेइंग कि आदमी की जिंदगी उलट पुलट हो जाती है तो केक भी उल्टा ही कर दिया उन्होंने. नहीं. Listen, I am basking in the glory of love, and that obviously comes from the fact that I am happy and content in my marriage, and I'm very blessed. And I really think a wedding has to be of hearts, and that's what really comes to use, in a marriage. So if you're not sure about the man that you are getting into a relationship with for life, if you don't visualize yourself waking up with that person, I mean, ऐसे नहीं कि उठ के suddenly ये कौन है मेरे बगल में. I mean, if you're not like confident about that, then you shouldn't get into a marriage. And it's a big deal, It's not going to be easy. There are going to be a lot of compromises, a lot of adjusting to do. But that's part and parcel of life, and you have to be able to, deal with that.
And this question is for both Shilpa as well as Anil.
ये टेंशन में आ गए. उनकी बीवी इधर ही बैठी है. तो
Sir, we are restricted to wedding planning only, not anything else.
What is the advantage?
And disadvantage.
See, I think it works both ways, and when there are advantages, everything has pros and cons, Jyoti, as you can see in life, and c'est la vie. So I look at things as karma, and if you have done something good in your life, you're going to get that back, and 100 folds more. So I feel like I have done something good in my life to find a man who cares about me and who encourages me, who's not insecure about my position, who really helps me go forward and is proud of me. So sometimes I don't think of things, but he thinks कि तुम अभी ये कर रही हो, तुम्हें ये करना चाहिए, ये तुम्हारा अगला पड़ाव होना चाहिए. So he's someone who kind of helps me in my vision and accomplishing that. I'm very blessed. And the cons are what? I mean, I really married my friend. And I think all these cons happen when you don't live your life to the fullest. बहुत जल्दी अगर आप शादी कर लेते हैं, and if you're not sure about the man you've got married to. Fortunately for me, I got married at the age of 32. So I had seen a lot of life. I worked very hard in my life, so I wanted to settle down. So I'm very happy.
Okay, so you're done with the writing.
Yeah.
Tell us a little about the book, if it is okay with you.
Well, The Diary of a Domestic Diva, which is my second book, is already up for pre-orders. I'm going to be introducing it to my entire journalist fraternity very soon, just before Women's Day. And it really is a book that's come from my heart and not my mind. It's for all those people who want to cook, want to give their families nutritious food. There are a lot of single men who also like to cook, who are handling, children, and they don't have a wife, and they don't have help. And a lot of working women, a lot of girls who have left, their cities and come to Mumbai maybe to get a job, and they don't know how to cook for themselves or their friends who are living with them. So this book is for them. This book is to tell them that it is so easy, it is so quick to cook nutritious food, and it is so easy to also lose weight. So it's a book that is all encompassing. And I really felt this is a book that everyone should have in their kitchens, and it's like a one-stop shop.
Okay, what is the Valentine plan with Raj?
I'm not telling you. मेरी शादी बहुत कमाल थी. I tried my best to run away from all of you all and get married in Khandala, लेकिन हो नहीं पाया. But I think every wedding is done very beautifully. And to keep it a secret from you guys is very hard. So I think Anushka and Virat did a great job. I don't know how they managed to keep it a secret. Yeah.
The interiors and all.
आपने किया ना interiors?
नहीं.
अच्छा.
I'm just asking how was the office?
Very nice.
शिल्पा, आप जब किसी की शादी में जाती है, अटेंड करती हैं, तो क्या क्या चीज़ें गौर करती हैं? किन बातों पर आप गौर करती हैं?
खाना. मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कैसी शादी है. मुझे फ़र्क पड़ता है खाना अच्छा होना चाहिए, मीठा अच्छा होना चाहिए, और आई थिंक द सेटिंग, जो सेटिंग होना चाहिए, जो एम्बियंस होना चाहिए, वो अच्छा होना चाहिए, लाइटिंग अच्छी होनी चाहिए. क्योंकि क्या होता है, कभी कभी इतना डार्क होता है और लाइटिंग इतनी ख़राब होती है कि हम लोग पिक्चर्स भी नहीं ले सकते. सो आई जस्ट थिंक दैट वेडिंग्स have to have a lot of memories, and to create those memories, every little thing matters. So yeah, but the food. कुछ 14 दिनों के बाद मैं कल बाहर गई थी, इसने लिखा कि मैं हर 2 दिन में बाहर जाती हूँ. बताओ, नाम खराब कर दिया इन लोगों ने. मैं घर से खा के निकलती हूँ. कल 1 दिन गई थी मैं खाना खाने के लिए. Yeah, I eat a lot. Jyoti has seen me eat. I eat very healthy. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि I don't eat. I just Sunday, this is my day. I eat everything. आज मैं सब कुछ खा के आई हूँ.
अनिल जी, when we were planning to inaugurate the KYC office, we were looking at many artists. But once we realized which is the best artist for the industry, who represent this sort of aroma, so we found the Shilpa ji is the best. So we selected on behalf of that.
ये अच्छा रीज़न था.
उनको आने दो किसी को सामने, तो फिर देखते हैं. अभी तो अभी सब कुछ परफेक्ट दिखता नहीं है.
मेरी तो हो गई है अभी, क्या करूं? और कोई मिला नहीं तुम लोगों को सुबह से? सबकी हो जाए शादी.
उनको तय तो करने दो एक बारी.
हम लोगों का बोल के फायदा क्या, बताओ?
शिल्पा जी,
I eat every Sunday. I eat a lot of dessert only on Sunday. On the other days, I try to maintain a discipline. But on Sundays, I indulge in everything. और शादियाँ होती है वीकेंड पे ही होती है, सैटरडे संडे को ही होती है, क्योंकि नहीं तो शादी पे कोई आएगा नहीं.
आप चले गए वासु भगदानी का बिल्डिंग पिनिकल ड्रीम्स में.
ओह अच्छा.
4th फ्लोर पे. तो आज मैं अनिल भाई का पड़ोसी हुआ हूँ यहाँ पे.
अच्छा, पड़ोसी की जय.
बिल्कुल. ऐसा है, आपकी शादी मैंने सुना था जग मंदिर में हुई थी.
नहीं.
जग मंदिर में?
नहीं.
अच्छा. ओके, ठीक है.
आप आए नहीं थे ना शादी पे.
थैंक यू गाइस. थैंक यू.
Global Advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Global as a company, it has never compromised on its service quality and commitment, and that is the reason our clients do keep on coming again and again to us for our service. The mission of the company is to rise on the graph of betterment for every campaign handled by us.